The subject of today's video is the 8 worst online businesses for beginners. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and also subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50%, sometimes as high as 80% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first. Okay, let's talk about the 8 worst to the very worst online businesses for beginners, and then the one safest online business for beginners near the end of the video. Number 1, dropshipping. Now, I've been in the dropshipping business for almost 15 years now with eBay and Amazon. And it's getting worse and worse. Returns are getting worse. Customer service is becoming a real headache. Then you have to deal with defective merchandise. Then out of stock, because you're dealing with drop shippers, you're not always aware that they're out of stock of something. And then there's shipping issues. We do a lot of LTL freight, where the customer has to get in contact with the freight company to make a delivery appointment. And the stuff is damaged, or stuff is lost, or there's porch pirates, or the customer claims he never received the item when he in fact really did. And Amazon and eBay are no help when it comes to that. Their return policy is very flexible for the customer, and very inflexible for the seller. So there's a lot of times I've gotten burned, and that's getting worse and worse. Then of course you've got tariffs, and you've got shipping delays from overseas suppliers. So it's not a bowl of cherries, believe me. Then next would be surveys. Now, the problem with surveys is there's not enough income. You'll be lucky to make $10 or $15 a day doing surveys. And with the way things are going, $10 or $15 will probably just pay for a gallon of gasoline. Next is multi-level marketing, pyramid schemes. Pyramid schemes such as Herbalife, where somebody brings you into the business, and then every time you make a sale, that person gets a percent of your commission, and then he has to pay a percent of that commission to somebody above him, and so on and so on and so on. That's something multi-level marketing. It's something you don't want to get involved in. There's a lot easier things to get involved in and make you more money. Next is SMMA. SMMA, that's Sam, Mary, Mary, Alabama. That's Social Media Marketing Agency. This is where you become an online advertising agent for retail stores such as beauty salons and restaurants. You do all the online advertising for them. They give you a budget, and then you take that budget and do the best you can with that for online advertising. Now, this is not really a good thing for beginners, because this kind of thing requires a lot of experience, years of experience. And if you start out as a beginner representing a couple of stores, you're probably going to get fired. Okay. Next would be stock trading, such as Forex, day trading. Now here you must have a long and successful background in stock trading. If you don't get into this. It can be a real briar patch. So stock trading such as Forex and day trading, don't do it unless you have a really successful and long background in stock trading yourself. Next would be Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon. This is where you send inventory to Amazon and they ship it for you. The problem with this is like drop shipping. You're going to have customer returns. You're going to have customer service issues. You're going to have customers claim they never got the item. And also with Amazon, fulfilled by Amazon, you got to pick a winner in your product, or it's just going to sit there in their warehouse and they're going to start charging you rent for that. And eventually they'll just throw it out and you'll be out completely. So fulfilled by Amazon, I don't get into that unless you've got some real experience there. Next would be a social media influencer. A social media influencer. Now here you must have a huge fan base, 100,000 or more followers. If you don't, this is not going to be a really good path for you to go down. You're not going to make a lot of money. It's going to take you years to build that up. And last on the list would be NFTs and cryptocurrency. Now the problem with NFTs and cryptocurrency, right now they're oversold and overbought. And when your taxi driver or your waiter or a bartender talks about cryptocurrency and they're trading it, you know it's time to get out though, because all the smart people have already got in and got out, and what's left over is the droppings, and by droppings I mean the pigeon droppings. So don't go there unless you're really on the ball with cryptocurrency. Now that being said, what is the best internet business for a beginner? That internet business would be affiliate marketing. Now the simplest and the best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devin Brown and his 12-minute affiliate system, and you can find his link below. The best Google ad and ClickBank training are with John Crestani and his SAS system, and his link can be found below. I am currently enrolled in both Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program. My coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is also a giant in the online marketing business. And Anthony has sold over $100 million on the internet, and he has the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it as well. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison or John Crestani or Devin Brown or Pajama Profits, just click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.